Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by readying the shirt. Button the top and middle buttons to preserve collar shape, but leave the bottom button undone so the hem relaxes. Once done, lay the shirt face down and smooth wrinkles by hand. This reduces creases that set during storage. Make sure any stains are treated now because long-term storage locks them in. You want a cool, dry space. Avoid attics and damp basements to prevent mildew and color shift while you continue. Next, fold with precision so the shirt stays crisp. Lay the shirt face up on a board or flat surface, fold each sleeve diagonally toward the center, creating a clean shoulder line, and fold the sides in until you have a tidy rectangle. Once done, fold the bottom up in 1 or 2 smooth motions, depending on shirt length. This minimizes layered creasing. Make sure folds are aligned within about 0.5 to 1 centimeter, so stacked shirts sit. Finally, store the folded shirt in a breathable cotton bag or a drawer, never long-term in airtight plastic, which traps moisture. Once stored, tuck a cedar block or silica packet nearby to deter moths and control humidity. These help preserve fibers and scent. If you find wrinkles later, steam the shirt for 1 to 2 minutes and lay it back on the board to refold using the same method. If mildew or odor appears, launder and dry fully before repeating the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.